Hey guys, it's me, PugMSP, and so today I got some really amazing gifts from someone, so I'm just gonna log in and show you. Load, okay. So this girl, Deadly, she's quitting Movie Star Planet. But when you go to her profile, she's like really upset. Say, you're in, come on, stop. Such an amazing person. We could use more people like you on this game. Why is this thing glitchy? Oh, come on. Okay. Maybe it'll work this time. But like, she gave me this entire outfit I'm wearing. She gave me 2 or 3 drip tops. She is like the bomb. I don't care what anybody else says. She is an amazing person. Like, for real. There is no beating this. Like, ugh. Look at that. She has this month hair. She had IC, but I think she put it on her other account. Or she traded it. I'm not sure. She has electric hair. She has water hair. I wish she gave me the water hair, to be honest. She has birthday hair, New Year's hair. But look at how many drip tops she has. Legit, she has like 6. So 5. Load. 6. She has 6, and I gave her a Goldie dress, and I gave her that dress. Oh my goodness, like that's insane. Why is she quitting? Like she's got some good shoes here too. Look at this. Like, this makes me so upset. She's got so much good stuff. It's at least 3 drip caps. Load. It's not loading. Okay. Anywho, the point is, she is amazing, and I really am going to be sad if she quits. So please don't quit. Please. At least don't quit without giving me stuff. JK. Like, you are so, like, rare. Okay, I'm gonna refresh. Hey yo guys, so, I sorta took over this video for her. But anywho, this is my account, Golden Spots. So I messaged the girl that she was talking about. Her name is the D-E special A-D-L-Y, and I asked her if I could have her Deepax and maybe her drips. But I think she is supposed to be really hard to get an answer out of. So I'm gonna give her an auto. Anywho, I'm pretty sure she'll say no. So I'm just going to stop right here and she'll let you know what all she gave her.